Hello everyone, welcome back to Web to App, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. So if you want to transfer your funds from Skrill app to PayPal, then follow along. First of all, open your Skrill app and then log into your account. After logging into your account, look for the transfer option. Here you can see currently Skrill does not directly support transfers to any other apps like PayPal. Instead, what you have to do is you usually need to withdraw Skrill funds to your bank account first. Now after you send your money to your bank account, then you can add money to PayPal using your linked bank account if supported in your region. And that's it. There is no direct Skrill to PayPal transfer option currently. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.